year, my movie is almost 46. When I work Ghana, with ladies no film movies, actress be a person or nationwide crap. But the depending friend, yeah, me na me cause I papa but oh yeah, my friend. Almost YouTube and I say movie. If you want my own or tiny for no reason. Do you know say after my homecoming now, me call the first day no. Me only be me farming yes say me I'm not there. The things I go through no. Papa J, I don't want to.
So me you who feel
Say me come cause I kasa na say me hele high so wale me o.
It's all about Angie's Board TV. Yes, I want to call for flower. You know what you are ever count. Ota Sajua. Giri.
Aha, a shirt room 3. Your pata say opposite if you fufu. Say open shoes, original shoes, open shirts, executive shirts, say open executive trousers, jeans, sandals, slippers, belts, watches, club t-shirts, original ones are a shirt room 3, bra, and dressel, your original belt, watches, designer wears, sneakers, all sizes, shirt room, ewo patase, opposite if you fufu, bra, and dressel, aha. And the papa ni now.
Great people, you chill be about this both multimedia. Me the fresh boy Papa J. And I was sure my baby a shop be more before say make shop no more seven. No dey ohwe ni am wa ha. We will be now pay a man traditional wear tie and dry papa there and community haya na obeba na obaba je o de. Me who shop no on TikTok. Me who say mimi TikTok na all ton ni am na na mimi we jais ni twa ya na our beji shop and then no kasa shop inside or in business until na mabasa ye ba bedi nkomo na ya share how niama esi komo before say meka sa me come no 22nd of May ye call London O2 Indigo and it's all about Dr. Likey and team no moba comedian music and I'm McBrown Roberto Papa Kumase Shefo Vivian J. Lawrence and Obi Amponsa comedians in ba enti call www.o2.com no call www.shoes.com could you ticket na yen share we O2 Indigo na yenko ji ni bibia nko so kama emfa ema yenko na mimi akwa ba na emfa nko me ni nko chesu so achepa o yes crowd
No be yes.
oh acha last year nyame no wankasa
Hey, last year yangasa. Dey asem na okanisa.
last year kaza me nkai o
Last year kaza.
ba ko ne ye no aji mo na odi fufu eno a
Na say no last year.
Oh sure early last year.
Early last.
Oh okay Ibrahim Traore nyina menya wona wankasa
Me refi.
ampa ya Ibrahim Traore nyina menya wo kasi ya fix bia na yes star okay yeah it's true ni ba wako there
Bia wako.
Is it who say business na say when you also away we know dey ben pa na oton wa
Let's all tie and die.
Next when you made in Ghana product.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Wow, what shall I say?
Me shall say early this year.
No plan what that na say oh how na ba o say oh mama started tie and die business.
Okay, me ankasa me pade a me ka say me ana e ka say de mimi na aye. So ati ase. Enti na tie and die we nyina me ana me ma de. Me ko sua aye e na me.
Ah really? Onjim fo bi ho.
No.
One na don say colors ni bibia.
E na me sua wi.
Hey.
E na ye. It is sometimes my business will be order baby there or not to me mommy. By me tea me my baby there. Yes.
What how long is you? I
think a month and some 2 weeks, 1 month, 2 weeks.
Wow, because me ba me say be obi na ye na o na o ton.
Me share ni nyina o kwa my village o. Your videos bibia.
Mo film village o. Ho na o sua time.
One edit bibia my tools ni bibia be here bia. E o dey say.
Wow. And ne pam no so e.
Ne pam no de nyam na me pam.
Okay.
Lady bi o pam me.
Wow. You say obi ba ha dia just tie and dye near man kwan
so far the tie and dye kwan wa tie and dye batik we kura me friend batik
okay.
And we mo tie and dye.
Wow. Fantastic. Before say you be rare come location we here ankasa obi shop na ankasa he no also ba
Chronom usi barrier Also quite enjoy educational complex.
Yeah.
Do school no cry.
Okay.
Who shop.
Fantastic. Yes, Adonko Angel Educational Complex school
Yeah.
no right side here and when you're cry.
Yeah, cry.
Fantastic. That's what you say this in what you try.
I didn't tell me there.
Now business is a bien so here.
Business, yeah, me mommy business. This is me mommy there.
Say be dey that's your jabbies way. O ma me business. What say dey ba kwa mo no ana mo ye adwuma na mo yi mo ni hyem krofo.
Ye for but set time on you. Me ni adaje.
And
it's something my mom loves. And I'm
okay.
so my pay.
Okay.
And it's like for my mom and I'm supporting.
Oh, okay. But what I know as one for Dian to so sweet mimis wear and a mimis collection and a mimis.
Sweet mimi ubaba na nyama na meti here.
I said you did that so cry yeah. For all brand no. What just say what just in na manfo ni mo no. Sweet mimis e bia tie and dye bibisa na ke
seriously, Jabis, it's my name.
Jabis no.
Janet Brefo Youngson, that's my name.
Oh, okay. Janet
Brefo
Youngson. Wow. Oh, okay. After the Matthias.
So it's my name.
And Janet Mimi na any day. Oh, okay. Let's say you want your dear. My fan question mama.
Or they say it in Komoyan Faso.
Because who will be a Juma Sancho?
And I'm only maybe I say we are said here. A Juma maybe I met Tehono and a media.
Good.
So be a Juma do bit in a hawk and Panadia. Yes, so she'll be the year, oh dear.
Yeah.
I dear me, I'm guessing. I want anytime be a meal. As a about to me. But I'm part of this. You can't be. Me a brand ambassador. I emphasis here, me a brand ambassador for Jabis.
Okay.
But the end, dear, me, mammy, dear.
Fantastic.
Because there be a mammy in the
okay. So, what's that here in a course? Now, marketing course.
Okay, so far, no, Miss Shasia, you're introducing you online. A man for to find and carburetor for your mission, or many materials. No one idea. A mission by Sunday, and maybe I know if you do be a bit in my habit.
Sunday, no officially, Ubi and Rankasa. Ubi, no, big and so, you know, for Baha, or inviting for mobile.
Na inviting for kakra say omo mehwe say be you meet me di ho dance ya tro bi say oh bibi say di ope bi ato abi mi ho kwa obi nyim
yeah that's a Wizzy Empire for you never ba
oh at least
ko yo kasa ba
at least e be ndem say
wa
wani so
dia wa makra na me kwa me mpini
I didn't know
so na say Wizzy Empire na Wizzy Empire wa artist e bie a business now one for anyone number church there. So I think it's Sunday, right?
Yeah,
Sunday time is saying
12 p.m.
12 p.m. Yeah, Obi Ambrana, you may be a Jabis where sweet mimi ne tie and dye. How does a boutique? You might tie and dye boutique.
Yeah, Bombay.
Fantastic. Is it Obi Pebia number bang?
My number now 055 60 44 970.
Okay, two friend number was a bit to make a business so we did the entire Bahana Casano. And then I home common to the old people offer now. Bibi abekoso kama pa. Na nsemi hu SG mo na so ye Jackson Keben tum adwuma bi. And I'm say hey mimi me share mimi na o ye adwuma. Agi so obi a oben Wizzy Empire ho adwuma e na obehu mimi. Aside adwuma enye Wizzy Empire for adwuma o hu mimi wo ba bia bi.
Na Ghana ha directors say
Directors yes directors bebre na Ghana kuma say directors aba ko say nya directors.
But directors were about enye omo nyina na eye adwuma frequently. What I say? And I don't know meaning for me adwuma dey I don't see.
And I only internet na so.
Me I don't know. Me hunu dey. Nim say there is a Vision, Batman, Big Mat, omo kakra na omo so say ankofo ni omo ye adwuma. Yes, for me omo na meaning. Omo
na ye adwuma wu.
Yes.
Adwuma be cause industry no.
Why be I don't know. I'm so sorry but me share dem who be ade.
Dem me who adwuma da internet ni so ebo 1 million views. 200k ni.
Why not try?
Ebi wo ha metime yi bi a.
But I don't know. Se minimum just exist but me minimum.
Also who?
I didn't na mama me nam na me hwehwe obi adwuma wo ye.
Are you comfortable with sinidwuma na we say? So say wa hye bu nko be fufuro na de bia in your circle no kwa na obese oye.
Obia actress bia pese o nationwide cry. But say different frame ya me na me nkoso nko papa papa o ye adwuma frame me. I don't do that.
So no o say wa na wa mana yesa.
I didn't na ma ya mana yesa.
Ama obi ho obe fili so be fo wa ye adwuma kwa na ontimi ma because you say mimi de enye nkofo we adwuma o frɛ no kwa oma. Oba ko boss ka bi kwa ahwe na ontimi ntua.
It's a senate, I won't know me. I'm not going to depend because don't frame me who send me my control.
Nti yemfrɛ
Me ye juma o. Enta make us a directors a minimum so me ye juma, me ye o me juma. Me ye director visi ye juma. Me ye Batman e juma. Me ye Big Matter director Jackson. Director your Oyedepa TV. Apart from these directors, na me say anytime you ye juma no why be?
directors bebree yɛ adwuma.
Omo YouTube na say movie.
Na nem sini no twa hena mo de kɔ. Saa conversation na ɔde ba na.
It's not like that.
Yabi o na sini no mo twa mo de kɔ he.
No, won't say.
Mo de na mo twa mo de kɔ he.
They make an this time around they won't say juma na me promoting.
Oh yeah, no say yeah.
I am here for peace.
Yes,
The
but
person make a bibia mo obi ayo.
I am person me twa bi si bibi so.
Tie. On said there are some people omo tu nipa bi esi wo say bi awe ye de twa YouTube ye de ni say.
Yeah.
Just that e wo ho sa so ya we. Eh tie bi asa nipa no me frɛ me. They make a what
say. Ye twa YouTube, YouTube adwuma nti on me frɛ me.
On me frɛ me. They make an enye boni so o tie. Ye wa say ye what TikTokers wo. Me say try TikTok but unim TikTok a bit me ma kuma say my friend say me ba me ya TikTok. On to me yes sir. This say bia me na my friend say na me free o bra enye video. But me TikTok videos. But me nye TikTok nkwa me twese ni. But you obi o TikTok nkwa no ye nti anytime bia o pe TikTokers na o my video.
YouTube nkwa no twa nto pe YouTuber.
There are some people like that. There are some people like that. YouTube nkwa no twa because they are saying say YouTube no munye scam o mu charge per day ni sa na o which movies we don't do that. Yeah. They make an say. Hence that's what I'm trying to say.
It is eba say sankofo na wo ka wo masemi. So omo nya adwuma me ntimi nya adwuma.
Metimi ya adwuma but who be frame me na I see the story I will just me who story na come out.
Say YouTube no so everyday thing. Everyday thing amanfo gu a omo ye bi de bia na me say bebre
director Batman adwuma wo ye YouTube ba say me kotwa o twa
how many times now we Batman
me ye Batman adwuma pa o me code media me twa
he is the only director wo bo dey
ebi omo from me pa me just say director yi branding be from me na me need time ba for be from me na me need time it depends on the time timing na na sometimes more
but me gidi say sa adena affect you or carry as an actress there.
Tie, ebi wo ho dia wo kan me no ye adwen. Dia happen say obi wo ho no ma or time for no reason.
We time for no reason.
Oh, I am telling you.
Oh, industry.
Oh yes, be I go through a lot as an actress. Me ko baby ni am treat me, but me ba me nka. Na ehye me ho.
Who free circle no ma.
Oh yes. Yes. Me I know a lot of people don't like me. But my fan is say ni wi ase de yes pempem bedo wa pempem so be de be town ti me ne my fan no
enya wo no wa criticize na to
how
I be a wo si start ye emfo bi a wo hwetwa ye nkomo bi a wo didi ye most beautiful actress the most professional actress una nko ne de camera 2 3 esi so enti una wo CEO so hype for them na the whole Ghana international actress wo sanse bi sa no
adwuma ya ye de ntina ye media work ye say obi tie nchen ya you see senka actress me nu kura nya problem a enka ya de na ye ne eni kwan se bia ye reality ye atia ma obi a otia bonten hu se ye no kura nso nya no kura enti ama show base ni ma nya da enfa so bi eni so
okay
enti sometimes ye trust ni ye kan some we say things to make people out there so be o menya bi akana de na ye fe what you say enti se me betina hey na man ka hwe na it doesn't work like that. Okay. Show base. You have to be creative sometimes. So we can be what wouldn't say some now okay no. And for baby about was say okay now ma bonting so yeah hot. It is a make us an your man na say we director what to was who say some akra we can. It's just for the show base.
Na director bi so no on tesa de na
say. Say what ni baby na mtimi baby. We will be complaining.
It is say me wa keka and hu say hu yanka wanka.
I will say it again and again and again. It's just to promote the industry. We have to be creative. I mean, see music industry here for the memory. Why?
Because
anytime everybody is saying something to trigger the other. Nah, didn't why you then I say yet yaza.
And some I work out set so no be share different people from the other side. attitude no about so direct na.
Oh, me who say sometimes me nipa be break or do one time living where he and omode e bra me so because obi o wa me hia ne daba me who no time. A lot of incidents see enye na make our akra ko jukwa me country no. I go through a lot. Do I be call the obi said di wani mani hu say oma hu say wade no de ye o. Me call set one time I set so mpo address bi ban ko frame any. Ya me nko am have anytime bi am rebe hu bi am correct.
Oh set.
Oh yes.
But you o fra wani. Ode me ko be sra wani.
Yes, for 3 days na me ni ahụ na me timi ni adwuma. It was just a scene. I think that's something one na director say adwuma no. It was just a scene omu didi meko ho kan egu na omaye said omobu me no. And this woman actually said, and then a lot of people there a video etna se bi mani say sound quite. Yes. And the video no what the insane posa me say. Yes. Many who know say
director no.
And na director ne ka in fact video ne ba abonten no. I'm a hair and who say me bufu ending no. Ko director anka kata anka mebo ma. Oh yes. Yes.
I don't know.
I will not mention the name.
Oh, say it's obi na wan shada mpo na o me pa ocho.
Oh, obe opamacho at the end of the BBI.
Manka wani friends wan ke fra.
Many efra. For 3 days na many ahụ no. I gina mo just say. And I will share video na meet me the video na share on my phone. So se ma me na sheda. And o pese o proud. But who when dey? It is see any of my sisi. I go through a lot but
all because of Kojo Nkansah.
Me who say yes because me share obi da.
Yeah.
Obi o hon and there are some people are omo ankasa they are insane normally. Ebia ensem hunu bi nti o ye Kojo ge nti ko Kojo mpana o Kojo say no mo dey found out. It doesn't make sense. And I just realized say Ghanaians, a lot of them they don't want to know me as Mimi. Omo mpese omo be hu say girl o ye Mimi what to say oh enya Kojo ge na. Oh, anya akra Kojo. But what about me? Say ne ya say gay we can ask ba ho asem na meka.
Man, this is the Kojo dey anybody.
And it's their own way.
Affect one na Kojo no. Affect one.
In some ways, yes, in some ways and also boa.
I don't know man pe kwan bi so an katisa de name free man nye no way bi na wan nya privacy a obetimi da ya won ya bibi a yes ye de net age wansa.
But from day one, I haven't me bibi amfani mbata me ho.
But at long last na abewi ho.
It's just how people nipa ne create ade. Me ankasa they don't mean create bibi but nipa ne tena se create ade so I don't have anything to say.
I mean say eno so in a way so asanso aboa how but aboa.
I don't make say how no na aboa bibi e disadvantage.
So the disadvantage and advantage you know percentages where is it?
Oh, me dey say ane dey. Men is 70-30.
70-30.
Yeah, the benefits no. We do baby o koja kwa you know and I sa 30 that na ya na sa ketu abi no. Say be obese so madwe na edging.
Yeah.
And then I had your marriage is so good.
Is there going to be a time obetel ho?
Na me de bia say me mati me ho dada o. Me o sweet me TV me say me o me dey. And I'm a son so me TikTok. What was I me video that? Maybe I'm creating something for myself. Hey, it's not like say Bibiana. No, I don't do me personally. I don't do that.
Into one American when you me pa.
The man maybe I'm young.
Into one say Mimi so different person be ye different life.
I say
different move ko baby ko ye move ni won yama.
Nyoma be. Yeah, rather. And nyoma be.
Bu to ho. Mimi you who free Kojo.
Do you know say after my homecoming now me call her the first day no. Me who ni biem na mbisi.
I want to say me so me hu you know.
Yes say won kase we hu.
Float no. Only say me say yes o ba.
I was there.
So na me show pa.
I was there.
Ye bo match na me hu.
O ko the baby em fa me ho. Program na se kra no me nim baby a won nam. Me so me ye me like. And so no I mean it's all good. It's all good.
Because ka what to ho.
Papa J,
you who free
na me nya dey. And say na say me jai reason empire.
Unjai o.
Na me dey.
Omo ye adwuma no aba. Call baby.
Na say me wo me baby o. And me catch you say me call horse that day. Me hu ni biem.
Wonkasa.
Na me na wonkasa.
Ya kasa.
Enti no ha na say.
Okay.
Me hu no. He somebody a me tell hu ni mpo.
Me hu, he say me hu ha mesin kire no.
Oh no.
You who free.
Me free mo, me ni mo, me she mo. It's not like that. Abontin na mo hu ni sa.
But inside no.
It's not like that.
People say Onimwa Untimi.
But he's never there.
He has never been there.
Like me family says I'm not there. Anything it's I'm trying to create something aside Weezy Empire from day one.
Because you also force it, you yourself.
Yes, but Ghana for person be accepting me for who I am. They just one person somebody or no better target me. But without or no. And some say without or no. And there's no with me I can't family.
I don't know a person can man for who.
But I am doing so much. So what sometimes when you are doing so who be you will not get to know the person.
It's true. Yeah.
I just would say this girl, who is she? And son who me pano. But why me Kojokra na ni friend we benyano. Baby your friend unyame friend unyame baby your friend benyame. Do you see where the thing is?
That means Mimi has a life. Mimi what life?
Had a one in a life.
Or the life. I will live will be but I don't know why I gonna phone to me and Mimi and sing chain and she say Mimi as Mimi. Maybe a reason for
reason listen and yet it's like that. You'll be all say who I would hear why you say.
Oh no.
From day one, me fa black or join chichire me ho. Me fa in your TikTok video crowd. But enka obi enu what advantage chichire me.
Yes.
Black or join video you to me can say one. But I don't do that.
Yeah, also per TikTok pa enka obi to me why.
But I don't do that. Me for no dey na here me know before Friday. Yeah, I want people to know me. Say I am Mimi.
Okay.
What I say be Juma dia Weezy Empire. But I have my own life.
Fantastic. The title, the most professional actress, You see, they say, I think say be
most beautiful actress.
Beautiful and the professional actress.
I don't want me why time.
Debbie, any sir. And because I work as a professional actress. This time, no, sir, title. I was a UJ movie because Juma baby I call Koswa, I know there. What now?
Juma be na course of body.
Oh,
Juma be na course of the movies are trendy this year. Last year, me 12 movies, almost 46 movies. When I work Ghana, ladies no 12 movies. Black Wajon come almost 20 something movies. Me try Batman 6 movies. Me 12 movies baby. Me couple Malaysia me try movies be 30 something or.
Female actress.
Yes.
Actress we a hot cake.
It's not like that. Me comedy. I am in Camobio. No, me there na make me there. The obi any there I will not talk about it.
Still not that's now. So as we are the best actress.
Papa J, tie. Obi aton aduane o se wona na aduane ye de ade. Eh self confident. Say we need obi be intimidate you. So if I say I'm a professional actress, obi aso tifie say you professional. What you feel say you are the best blogger now. Obi aso feel it that way. And you know the fact say you feel it sad say me am tenchen no we say o na yes anti me yes. No, you have to carry courage. So hey, no, Papa J. To be honest, the whole world, nobody is beautiful than me. Because at the moment I also be one for chain one, they break your spirit down. No, I will not do that.
Me feel was
No, I will not do that. Me Fantini, me or self-confidence.
Shall fellow actresses now who is on top.
That is how
I know yes I'm for time was set because I also feel big movie and no can how be sananti be me kokofani so be chichen watching go for. Where's that time about?
I don't care.
Open up. No be I'm feeling good. In the D and say
Obia or no be feeling good on there be answer my neka form.
Yeah.
Papa J, at the end of the day, no, I was out here on sweet. Because of self say only Obia nya one sempaka only Semi open up pans where me pan you benya me wasemaka because they be obi benya masem no obi be ka masem.
Okay.
Do you understand? Enti yam pesa na enti no ne afia ogusu yi. Ene nipa na ye de ye ho abonu nso ni nya obi a e ma wo kwan say ye neoma bebre yi.
Yeah.
Because they see me na me people will not mention my name o. Me koya this is ya lewe no otini baby no mo be ha no. Enti no sometimes the name I have to be protecting. Because
one for one ben ododo. I say, oh gosh, be person come me film. And I mean who how
Jimmy film. And that is the problem a lot of people are facing. I didn't also you
come ya me be dey. Come be you free ho. But we dey na kofa.
No, person we free was say.
Me ti wo free ho na ka yan fire away.
Enko he.
It say o ko he na say o nko
Baby akọbọ adom. Mini baby akọ me na.
Udi baby akọ. Udi di brand no ho.
Hey!
Udi di
What
adwuma
do
no.
airport na ya ka say kwadwa enye de we na Mimi bra na o kwa ka obo se din na fo baby eboa.
Okay.
What do baby no ye yi ni omo bi a chewa obo se din no. Eto da bi eboa.
Yeah.
E din no. Sesi ametie. If I tell you I have Papa Adum JDS number.
Because
How?
of
Yes. Because of living in me, what painful attitude be number. I'm able to call them and all that.
And then
And then there, I mean, baby, I call to be honest.
Because we had the way I was see Castle no corner.
Oh, maybe no.
Because painful working and you know who's baby.
Now I'm going show way. It me show more baby, and sometimes you know, a science and in a deal be so be pavy way. In I had that faso. And no make some me wanna Ghana for
Go to one will be so bem.
Nothing nipa wom na de obi nim. We see a pa me kwa na me o.
People person be odi enu odi go person be me say obi di wasama to many pa serious. And I'm going to mean to me.
O person wale mi ana. Ana ne say.
Or the wasama to many serious.
Na kai yourself person wale mi ana sama ene bone.
Onya ne bone.
O person wale mi.
Ohia wo.
Ono me ntina.
Ohia wo.
Ohia me ene ma ya adwuma.
Ohia wo ne life.
Omre wa ba na manti ase.
O kana me say emfa.
Ade ntina emfa.
Ebi are also to mean to me.
Na de mean to me what we are talking about business and what are you talking about?
Ebi business ohia wo nko anwadwene. One
na de me tie say no obi adwen se mitirim.
Oyi we free bia is legon odo ko trasako and odo fit trasako abesako is
serious komo na wudi
komo na me de me na be mimi
but odun so no so light in there so de munya abotre
komo na me de ehia me pa o
Papa J listen
obi say sene wo ka no opew obere na wanyawo
me ma me na tie ne mu ase no me ma me te kro ya se me ma me shop ni
fa san komo waso ha oba no obi so ope no pa ode atum anim asaba na meka no ode even enu akora enu aduai nipa no frɛ me na me say na me kɔ mimi ho me kɔ me de batu nani oh asaba na meka cho mimi asaba na meka cho no
Papa J
nipa no so oye big say kojo pepe
and today on your platform let me say this say o pese o name it na me oba a lot of there people who propose to me but one thing I want people to understand is say living has been there for me.
Okay.
Se wo pese oba me life mu na o pese o ba na se oni lewi na nya problem dada e will not work
nipa ne kojo nya issue pen
oh no onye so menya issue pe o that thing is say I say nipa na e ba na me dey on the first thing me pese oni kojo be nam bi mu ona onu no kojo no oni me get na me frame me get na kojo set so it doesn't make sense.
Oh, okay.
You don't say that somebody
okay.
You are coming to tell me, say, I mean, I want to work. And that's the problem if I am having. That's it.
That's still no. So when we move grandma, on still the godfathership and war.
He's not godfathership, and I said, he's my boss. Meaning a year, Juma. So you, brow diem, I have my private life. You are my private life. You are my family I want to build.
Okay.
Yeah, for business, family.
Any business.
Business.
I got
and
you.
To know your place. And no, we are good to go.
What are you ready to receive someone? And I said, when you're ready for that.
Papa J, you know, do you know time I'll be to me ready I receive you?
Oh, someone said, ultimately,
connection.
From this time I'll connect there. Me share Obiana or yeah. Now man for who say Mimi I have a life. Me ankasa me timi set decisions. Me ankasa me
now what do you who kasa me we for me ankasa me timi say me ya me shop ni ade na obi na the idea ma me ana. I sit down I know what I want.
Come so na na adwene wo bi. Me dey say na me kan. Opa ma me wo say ntadwuma ye onimo we. Tie. Onimo we.
Tie. Onimo a onimo ho aye say I told him back to me pesa me co village wo. Ekoye set up na di sua ma ade.
And then also go na mani answer.
No, because I needed that place.
Okay,
I need the anya media. Me catch na no say na we so be bomb money. And I'm so no ya wo dia me ntimi nko bi properties on away.
Okay.
Yes, and yan komra nyina Papa J say me ho kire me ayu no man me. But say me friend nko dia you man. Oh Papa J.
Me dey metimi ade abo or metimi aye.
No.
So ye me nua.
I had an experience 2 months ago. I'm at 2 months ni. I've been silent. Ebi obi kura ni me di nkomo beka say why me bibi na me mfi no. But entisa I went through some adie bi. Em say nyame na na me hu sa adie no.
Okay.
For 2 months I've been silent.
Silent on whose part?
Me ankasa me ni obi ani nkomo.
Okay.
Me nko ame ho na matena se na me dwen. Because there are some people be a medium to emergency. I mean him say na dey asem serious situation me free papa J you be there for me.
Yeah.
They make what I say.
Yeah.
So at a point I tried calling these people and Papa J it was hell. None of them were able to help me.
Wow.
So I'm like, and this is a situation for 1 minute I decided not to involve Lewen. I'm facing reality.
Now when say outside no.
I swear outside that day, mommy, without him.
Hey,
I'm telling you.
Bado.
Yes.
So you have to pray for him. And it is
when I sit down and I say I love this person, people don't understand it. I can love you. All
the love no call them.
The love is beyond and
the love.
You don't love the person.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Love and you're feeling.
Okay.
So yes, I didn't or time you're feeling and you're feeling jealousy, you're feeling. Until so being a sad and I'm moving Papa J. For a moment, I decided not to involve him.
I won't try outside. Be at any down.
Me say, I make a some which is Televisa. Wait, me bisa. But me so down my channel mobile play. Na me to. Na me so Papa J.
To be an Pemazemana.
And ko be kura musa me say me enti. Okay, fine. Dia wo kan mi nya. O de jiwe.
Kra. Also sign back.
It's not like sign back. I just felt like nyame na e chere me bibi. Jamaica what you say. So outside, you know my shop, I didn't want to open it. Me person me be me there me hear my dey also money online. Yeah. So they say me hear my dey online side. Louisa Dinkra. Obi obi nyame show ne kwa mgo musi no me say obi ama. O say dey ntina wo kasa me say na me obi ama o. O
meba.
How am na beba?
To you no, who is obi ama?
No, they out there they don't love me.
Aside the people around you no.
Out there,
they won't come.
They don't love me.
Perception, no, I mean, I'm
from Pemasim. No,
to go about the perception. I'm for woman.
Obi, betting me a friend, me a couple trade you my lead role. I take me banana naso.
For full moving a
chair, me lead role.
I am telling you, yeah, you will lead role na poster.
Do you know what I go through on set?
I
don't say it. Anytime you person me handle me idea. And some people why be I say if we interview na let me be kwakuti na obi hu a.
I said professionally so bad. Say obe outside akoye adwuma na be treat you that way. Professionally bad.
The last time I think say quite a Carol's night, who baby say me say incident be see or me ka said what I went through that moment say me ka say me kan nya me nkwan me dancing. As a seniors, gathered the plan. Sakura we pese ha why? What have I done? There more mujina onyo be okra me hia na nya adwuma da. But ne atena se a plan. Papa dey easy o. When I went there and I think say when I went there and then yakoduru akra ye adwuma na yakodu wona ano papa na menya call. Mimi, yesi say ne ya plan if you hu yi. Omu plan ye na ba ko sa fa phone. E fele we mbo na mane.
What setting so no be be catch us Mimi, omu plan this is on me.
Papa J.
That wo bro.
And Empire they did it. After 5 minutes I'm on my stage. Me active live sa performance no be that.
We more there no
9 lessons and Carol's line to someone. Me perform live for that. Me be there my first time. Na ya nsanso amaye script wo ho na ene yakonya ene yakoya rehearsals rehearsals na we yakodrese akọ theater ho no msi no this time around the audience and crane doso intimene chinchina twa lines na se chengi ni na because ensem na ekeka wo mu na nkra doso inti bet 15 minutes yes be change me dialogues ni na ile ama me
wow
You changing me dialogue ma aka 5 minutes na ma full stage ho na room wo ni to gate me say seniors no nko a that day na I think say me nko na me wo mu sa papa je ade ni se wani
nko a no mo se ye dai
like
na
na
o kire wo
o mu ade na ko we mu ade na e den no mo friend ba ye hey 5 minutes I me call stage I perform you
ye kill mood
papa je me like and I needed me person me who obi say nka won sole nka say o mu nya de mo ye no
bia anya bisa
na twan ye pie
okay
me yese me pie na o de pa akọ juma me di hu no
hey sir
papa je I we see ma me for that moment seniors egu ho me respect you bia
na wine no seniors na wine
oh bigger quiz ne starting to kwano and this person is somebody I respect so much I love him me ti me fan video kwa edrete because me pe was ma me edrete o ma me numbers in here
yeah it's true
I respect this man and or starting and I was expecting them to come in to piat one
a man man
Christian Ewuni wo why a lot they were nipa wo obia ye din ojojo me na say o ma hey ma me who made like if you see ma me ansa na twan bam na twan be ka say akra no ni obia o hanti dem wo ye ni ene say ade am wo ya akra no mo pese mo killing na
because I may imagine
papa je yan
they will go through that moment.
I went through hell.
Yeah, because sa course so they are and it to me means ankoyi.
I went through hell.
Yes.
Yeah, me copy for me.
Oh.
5 minutes feel papa je na me first start na ete ho na I said me team me di kan information say no ma plan na mpa esi ye no. Why would they do that?
Nipa nko catch up na nka wo nji ni.
No, I like why would they do that my day? No, my day. Industry we me buy my day. Me ko certain sem kika ya me mu obi adinda. Seniors me ka senti obi ada so why? Papa J. So things that I go through. Nti me ko seti bia so nti no mo si me penipa no. Ma so me ho minim say and really amenya problem wo.
And I say no say tata.
Ma Papa J, I want to cry but I camera nti anka me su.
Because I and unfree Kosovo ne bae unfree Israel unfree Cotonou unfree Cote d'Ivoire Ghana here na won mo nyina munim won so unji ni say honse bi wa bonte a wonim
Sembe se kodwokra na me ne twempana na what is it a crime? Oh dear, if that's the problem I Ghana for why is it a crime some ne lewe twempana?
Oh so obi already na so san
that time they were saying that he wasn't married. Oh, okay. That time as a situation, or just 2 years. We are here Juma for how many years? And it's not a crime. What you say? And you wouldn't see me any idea because obi no be chimpana. And sir, me. Jesus,
tell me what per na be want me amana. Omu feel say
I am asa me mama tia me din komo we oba be bisa me ni nyina say na me go through
na won kan che onu mama so enhye
these things nyina de me ne share me grandmother nti na ye no me call me so ya pa because she is no more me ne beka
granny no we
yes she is no more me ko bibia ma me friend ma me je na me call set so say na obi di ya me say na ma face o se nya hwe ni wani say ni say my me o pressure no Zaya no almost me ha ya na ye no so ya nti there's some things
bango nim say wani so je pa people know say me the only problem na je the oye bia o ye just say ye je no so no fa hwe won say na bia other girls ni bia go through struggles from industry who say we go through that
I go through hell I go through hell even living na kasa yi scare adwuma no that it me ye adwuma but say adwuma dey mean cast me we twa dodo me ha me campo oh there be yemfa girl we twa oh mimi yemfa mimi twa
anybody say fan say enkenye problem because
it's a problem
oh say why you be any be
it's a problem
story emfa mimi ho
no I'm a actress every role be I will say me play
say lead role nko na betimi
no yes any lead role be but was say at least Jamaica say
so your inbuilt directors no kwabo so etimi yes
the things I go through no Papa J I know one thing but nyame na bo me ho ba ye o e na ade bi wo me ho me hye da mfa nipa ho sa
Yeah.
Enti wo ye made a me mfio no akotem be nti na wakasa me kire me ho. Ba me nche me obadade na wo ye no me say nyansa ni nti me so so a emwa me ba me very quick tempered person.
Yeah.
Makuma ha me papa enyo marketing wo ya me nkasa ho bi. Obi edi obi ateme nya me matemu.
Yeah.
Ba me tie ye nti say nipa no me nkasa na ho da be sinne. Go me hunu say say nipa we kra na wudi na tem dia me.
Yeah.
Me woda. I go through hell.
And then say you are going through a lot.
Me bro.
Me say bibi say na home. Ntina nka me ka say ka me find a way na we live life nka sa na me nyina ka bia because wọ́n say inherited hatred from baby.
Kwajona bama so once.
Ono so hard journey.
Once like my dream wa me ti ase. I remember one day guy bi call obi set so sa. Na nipa ne ka was me so call we men kasa.
Ti na ti de ko.
O come on sem ti nipa ne sa. O we ye ntis na nipa ne be ye adwuma okumase. E na nipa ne de caste me. Oba ye na me ti okra otimi sane miska. O se na se nya sa na otie. The way ka on sem won ti sa afra wati. I had the director vision interview.
Vision.
Director ba be ye adwuma. People in our camp, people there, essay ade na or simenye no. Director me media mfa na nye ofobi. Ofo no se ade na se me obo betimi ayi. We just see be na director vision abe ha me. Me you are so good. I'm say me tell say I na director yes sir. Say they told him the role no me
so o shame nkofo no.
Yes, enti me ya de na was say egu no like na say de obetimi aye. So why are people kasa de ma yemfa wonye? And this why are perfect. As I said the na why we movie redemption.
Movies in the menya da share. What kind de make kwa redemption.
So I went through situations here. Meet na sidi me ba me meka ho.
Yeah, sure.
I'm just sure but out there's no love for me.
Yeah.
But my fan is
many sweets Mimi and I Indian common and my bunny shop Jabis where tie and die near my and now or ton the be a pamita kama power the war was style be quiet bit me their bar now Bepama man as over to material and be now their call or Bepam or their coy juma or bridge beer opebia tie and die and I say now one day. Ba Mimi Adaroma.
Me pastor design be up be a met nya ma their weddings near the way.
Be a wedding so betimi pam we be
oh say bridesmaid no and one mo pam she.
Okay.
Hey, no say we titi ni papa.
There be some no men shada monitor weddings.
Oh, say wedding bridesmaid no tie and dye no pam she fine.
And I what yes who cameras mu na bia ye hu no say no. So we say designing no. Fantastic. Well, and then come kwase bi ade mafa no. Oma nem ase me nya sympathy bi e de ama. Ma so na kam nzen ka wo se na o si di o come me do bia mimi. But say wo ne ma hyehyɛ wo ho. E na o me hye nkyire wiase ma wiase nya do bi so e ma.
Je ma me ma ne direction am right.
Huh? Ka wo hye sa nem we people will so feel benya sympathy bi ama na de mo de girl yi ni.
I go through a lot.
Girl in industry one or
I go through a lot.
Yen kache o see wo. So no so ya onya bote no nja sa nyam na otwetwe ma no ho no condemn o twa ni movie no nko ani ha o si promote ni movie
Papa J show base show business understand that's why I'm trying to say so people don't want to get to know you so wonnim ni pa so tia na la we say wo men kasa ho bi ma you will not take it serious because we say baby obehu bia obesa kasa but they pay attention to him send your tear.
Yeah.
Do you understand? He's not serious about things. And you may be a man. Who to tell me funny serious, but to him, no, and your shame, man. And to me, I mean, no. Lose where we say,
no,
it's me, sometimes it means young as I want to hold you money. I mean, it's show based. People should understand.
And I never otimi na later no san be ka say waiting or but be say you
because I also promote here there for Ghana for refi ade enti
na say you see DNA ne baba ko na sense bebre na wan say the letter ba bontin say na any movie na we promote we say now the pressure kwakoto baby so could you can say would still do it
e ba sa na say bloggers obi anya adwuma ye
ai o nsamba pa
But just sometimes there are some things I be or come to the broker do. Oh, yeah, Kawani. And then he says sometimes we don't talk to him. You know, I remember this DNA thing. Me, I'm super out of radio. Wait dear, I do wait dear. Now I think I was on set and so Director Jackson is and I'm who videos he said about one thing. And who am really. Now Chame crying a divi share, you know, so any more film so back of the radio yesterday, radio. Idea be a one what na fire, we will be a yesterday, radio, Sanoma.
But a boy moving so.
A boy moving about radio yesterday, images be a attached and so and who and sometimes so I don't know he's somebody. Ayana, anytime I'm in person, I'm out for be complain actually. So me just am go kan once I'm no better take action. See.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah, in na sometimes no go baby na me person am for pan kan ho na.
Yeah, mon directed no kakra.
A stardom no easy. Stardom easy. Ayana ga na for nya na ho aboteka. He just for the show base. What na say obi hu ni say he doesn't mean them. He just for
but
the show base.
But there's a lot of waka offending for woman say for promotion. And no na do we an hardware kakra.
And in America no say what here say because Papa J me say you don't know anything about me.
Yeah.
Asempa or what Ghana for person who are movie. Dear, or better media so I can. Who will be better the issue? Diaba media. Can you help him?
Debbie. And you know, near 7, but 7 Nankasa.
If you're not
and also near 7.
All
right, what's a business? Because Mr. Dinamaka Castle Asamba. And you know, the others in the morning, neighbor. It come on a baby. Is it? Me, I mentioned I may have baby to be a medication, mamma. Or just say, Jayan idea. Na yedi aboama adwuma no so yede akorenim ene de wawadi nkoma ma me say ensem bia me de bae kwa kabitiri ko ma me kwa wa me fere kra ma ensem bi wa me tinyi mi sadi mi ampa ne me nyanya caption papa bia me de ko
ebebo akwa
ensem bia kabitiri mami wo ha ntia ze nkoma no ntimi ani ni mimi yakọ je na woka customers a woni omu dili so far they also pay bia na wahwe wa wate wonka invite your minimum location Sundays so ye bia no camera na ye odia de na woka
yo we dey make nyina ye kitwa bigana fo mama patch on behalf of Wizzy so I boni bia mo fanche no na mo fanche me na mo fanche Wizzy empire fo nyina sometimes out there na no dey but ye ni penzie was a facing reality say my name pa na mani ade ansini kran ka media twa
true
mesre mo pa wate na mo hu ni say a show base bibia ye bia just to entertain a man for a bonting we are actresses and actors ade bia any kwan say ye no correct we pretend na wa oti abonting hu say ye no correct na ye fe no ene wa adwen e de achinye kakra nti esre mo a it's not like say me na me pese me you obi adwuma but perception no e ye omo a obi okra kwa ne satisfy de obi si bia jojo no pese oba keke na ojojo Papa J
o castle cry brand yen obani mafia ntia ne castle wow
me brekwa but ni nyina no adum nyame adaro mani pada soti ase mesre mo this is one of my businesses manage ho ena maye mepa mocho jabis we set tie and die mesre mo ma sheda na makosua
sua no ana eye o no ana designs
ena makosua ena maye de ma ebia ne say ye card e bi ye imagine say mesua me ma director big mat chinia o hwehwe obi obekere me tie and die nya me fra o chia me aze na obi o great man sa o kire nkra no
wow
ena o kire me free
wow
share ade o
ya de
Jabe ka wati ase enti mesre mo obetimi patronize materials no ebeye bia ton so far ne dia fa me bie ni ntini ni nyina me pimpam but there material bia obehu bia opebia ni ebetimi aye bi in dudu bia opebia ye de ama ti mesre mo Sunday mo de mo mama ni mo nwase because me de na me se ni bie mi ni sa out there mo mpem asem mo mba enye fe
I'm surprised
nim say Wizzy Empire for nkwa na beba ntia Wizzy Empire for dia omuni mi dada ntinka mejai but enkomodidie bi akoso no I've decided to semi lunch nti misremo nyampa Sunday Mumra na mume support me. Na enye kama why? Customers nso amodi kan atoto bi dada na nyame hwa mo. No nhyɛ manemu na musenya ho foyere. Anto that's it.
Jabez were CEO and I'm telling
Me say cho say me maami na CEO.
Oh.
Be a brand ambassador.
Okay, brand ambassador. And I'm telling you, Sunday, you better say amba ni abetwa hawa. Ni amabe se kwani yeba ni abe ya betwa hawa ceremony be si ako. Say be si atwa cake ni ade o han bia. So pe time that remember dey anyhow.
Who say ba for shishe. Remember dey oba na say do measurement ba dey apoma.
Okay na me wi amedi be bana. Why be am Saturday wedding be o manim na.
Oh, bo remember dey bukura ha be am design. Ma so onyi remember dey na ma ye bi wanje.
Say enim be fa dey.
Yo t-shirt a me am say that dey die.
Ah, who say no su ana sala ni so na pepa.
Say ma tonton bi ade ake.
Okay. Wow.
We na t-shirt lane white na me dey.
Okay, what be enough.
We na design.
Fantastic.
We need a madi.
Ah, remember the
remember the hand. The t-shirt. Na me am design.
Okay. Okay.
Atoni na kwa boga so abe video.
Boga say na me so oba. Boga. Oba na ofa no abe yi na ode ko. Obe enti na oba ayo. Wa me hwe.
Lane na ma design ni say a lot of ma tonton bisa.
Enti me ma no momra na
but material na dey pam na dey I just say what the way you buy.
What the
Measurements na
fantastic. Okay, I see. All right, you see, yeah, they come on this here now. Adonko Angel Educational Complex school now. The over when you kakra on your right side. So if you come on here, right side, we say Jabez where we have about 2 million nankasa. Obana number 2 number 2 ni sweet mother.
Yes.
Ono so ha na omerhe asebo kama pa. Bidim the fresh boy Papa J and Emine Sweet Mimi of Wizzy Empire, the princess of Wizzy Empire, the friend of Kojo Kansalaway, the supposed girlfriend of Kojo Kansalaway, the self.
Must you tell everybody? Must you tell everybody? Anybody did not win that.
I mean, title no.
Your moye no. Some cause wa kasa na say me hwe na haisa wale mi o. Na say dey dey say mo de mama na wi.
Na no ke emwana.
I say ni dey mo me hwe 10 years time.
With my second wife.
Oh, mume had 10 years time na say sa na mo kana say obi ase na again na na mpacha na bakodo. All right,
thank you for watching. Bye bye.